on the way to Kenneth's house. It's 2:50 in the morning and we're going there for breakfast, and then we are heading off at 4. That's the plan. Hi babe.
Hi.
Being the legend, taking me to Kenneth's house at this time in the morning. Good morning, boys. Good morning, gentlemen. Are you ready for this?
Oh, I hope so.
Smells good in here. Oh, hey Jess. Like camouflage in the blanket there.
It's every fucking time, man.
How you going, Simo? You ready? I'm running through Australia with my mates. See you on the other side. We've made it to Port Augusta. We're about to go through Port Augusta towards Cooper Pedy. It's gonna be a sick ride. We're doing it. We're off again. Hitting the road. We're doing it. Decided to pull over for a rest stop just outside of Port Augusta. I'm not supposed to run down there. I think he's feeling a bit sore. Ken, how are you feeling? Kenneth, the man that was sick now, is pulling through and fucking riding on like a champion. Ride or die, bros. Ride or die. But our fucking bikes are sick. Isn't that right, Simo? We're in Quimba. I'll have my light on again. Here we go. It's been a long ride. I'm happy to have a break.
We've stopped just outside of Pimba. There's fucking nothing anywhere. We are ready to rock and roll. We are about halfway to Cooper Pedy. Halfway to Cooper Pedy. We're fucking doing it. I feel so much fucking better now.
That's so good.
Great.
Bambo. I remember coming here as a kid. Last time I was here I was probably about 13 years old. 12, 13. Got the biggest fucking windmill over there.
We are in Bambo. About to leave now. Had a rest stop.
Bambo already.
Making good time. Oh, it's been a bit windy. It's 2:25 in the afternoon and we have been riding for almost 10 hours. Well, we've been travelling technically for 10 hours, but we haven't been on the road the whole time. Had a few breaks, obviously. We're having another one. Don't know where we are at the moment, about an hour away from Cooper Pedy.
Right, we're about 1 hour away from Cooper Pedy.
What a ride it has been.
Nearly fucking 10 hours on the road. It's been insane. Simo?
10 hours is crazy.
10 hours, we're nearly fucking at Cooper Pedy.
That's definitely 10 hours.
Awesome! I didn't notice them pull over. I'm guessing they're at, I reckon I can see him in the distance. I thought they were right behind me, but it must have been a car following me. And I'm like, hang on, where the fuck are they? Anyway, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Almost at Cooper Pedy.
We've made it to Cooper Pedy. We're about to set up camp. Ted's gonna go there. Mine's not. Set up over there.
What you cooking? I'm just making a cup of tea right now, and then I'm gonna make dinner after that. I'm gonna have tonight's dinner is gonna be beef teriyaki. Ooh, yummy, dude. That's tonight's dinner.
And a little camp set up.
See.